keyboard, part mouse. God, I use 3 things to play this. That's nuts. Making
Covered in mud, but my suspension was ejected. Maybe it'd be a little bit easier, but oh boy howdy.
It stayed to the right because there's usually something over to the right when.
oh, see it going.
We're gonna. Hippie's like, all right, subjects, get them figured out.
Man behind.
Right? Come on. It was... Come on. Bring it on, Wolfie. Ouch. Nice bite.
Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, working on some arrows. And then if I fill the cauldron up with potions, then I can dunk the arrows and...
Got out. The hardest part was maneuvering through the parking lot.
Okay, steaks and hot chocolate then.
Bubba, I just read that. Sorry, buddy. My
Hold on, hold this.
Or,
I don't have my best turning radius, sorry.
oh, and I'm not going to be back.
Thank you, sir. Nice. Maybe I'll put a...
So,
I don't. I have a change of heart. Change of heart. I don't.
When you go to hop on NEG, let me know, because I would like to be there. Yeah, buddy. Oh, I'll be back on, yeah, later, but definitely. We'll definitely be doing a little Minecrafting before I go to sleep. And I'm a late bird anyway, so.
So let's set it. And let's hop in this bad boy and get out of here. Oh, 50 miles to pick up. That's not bad.
Dreading it like in the vids. That's so rad. Oh.
All right, buddy. That little Jeep ain't bad, is it?
Yeah. Got it.
Can't complain. It's not a bad. I'll let you open it. You want to launch it?
Yeah, go for it.
All right.
Go for it. Go for it. You're there.
Puff time.
Ooh, an upgrade close by. Where is it? Where is it?
Ooh, and a car too.
Oh, I see the upgrade.
We might have to get fuel. I don't know if we will, though. If fuel isn't doing horrible, then we're not hauling. This guy here. So we were in this one, the Peterbilt 389 Ultra Cab Sleeper. That hauls our refrigerated truck, which does dry goods. Agent Yeti Gaming, welcome in.
Here.
I should, you said. Oh wow, he's got high end level. Holy Jesus. Throw crap down, I don't mean to. There we go. Alright, better.
Grandpa tasked with his old warm hat, sitting.
Whoever thought I was getting out of there, this effing load is on some kind of drugs. Dang. I'll free up some room and it keeps all the items together. That will stay there. I'm still debating on the mace, on what kind of enchantments I want to put on it. Not yet, he says. Okay, brother.
Oh, there you are. You're right in front of me, and I'm looking to the left. I'm like, where
There we
is
go.
he? Oh, there you go.
All right, nope, that's not gonna
Back
work.
up.
All right,
There
that
you go.
works. Seems to start.
Cotton scratch.
Holy cow, you
Dude,
guys
how many
got
hours
stuck in
did
the
you
air.
have? How many hours was that? 240?
I haven't even installed it. I just made sure I grabbed it.
The cool thing about that game is if you make your character, it doesn't like boot you right into a story. It's like, all right, now that you made your character, do you want to do free roam or like sandbox, or do you want to do story? And I'm like, oh sweet. So I think
Oh,
I'll just
nice.
start out with the story.
I've been through here to it, and then we'll get to see what it's all about. All right, we're planned. Headlights on. Let's go. How about we put it in gear? Hey, that works.
Wait, left and then right away. Okay. Sweet. The cool part is this is our truck and trailer. Whoa! What did I miss? Get out of the way! There we go. My turn.
Because you got to be here for it to do it.
That's a smart idea.
Little protected area. It's like a little office. I can throw my chest up if I need it.
Kenny's is to help get tweaking. Okay, hold on. I want to come get him first. So, you got to backtrack and go down. I'd rather talk Hacker 510. I'm just looking to see. Thanks for kindly giving me a load in a truck that had it all together. As we're 11 miles away. And then we'll see if we can't find a load back into buildings. It won't have to, I don't even care if it's a whole lot of money, because I think we're going to make like 3. Oh, what do we got coming up? Rest. Oh, there's fuel. I'm not chancing it. I think they'll pay me back anyways. At least I hope so. Well, we're slaughtered like there's no tomorrow. Dude, where's your chest at, man? Oh, in here maybe? Ah, I think I remember looking. Okay. He's not sure. We've spent a lot on our truck and we spent a lot on our garage. This garage we maxed. We finally got this one built to the.
Unless you guys want to.
Me and Hippie got. We don't really have room.
Perfect.
I could put one on my truck.
I'm on the way, bud. I got it.
Oh my gosh.
It is not far. We got this.
This truck,
Oh, my crane is
kinda
all the way around, so where it won't go around anymore.
just with one flat tire is like.
Didn't count. Oh, hell yeah, Clyde's your bitch. All right, Clyde's wearing armor. In order to hurt him, I want you to hit Clyde as hard as you can.
Now, those that are watching might get a little queasy. It's just pretend fighting. I don't think it is. We're beating your friend. Oh, good lord. I'll scoot over for you, buddy. Pothole. We missed it. 8 miles, 7.
Bro.
Eddie Raid. Wayne, welcome in, buddy.
I was driving home in my car, and this person was driving.
Wayne. See, we're getting there. We were like at 80. I think we're down to like 30 now, so. Come on, give us a big old mixture of people. I know it's late, so I appreciate you guys coming in. I can bring 500 and something gallons with me, if hopefully that'll be enough. Because you guys carry a bunch of fuel on top, so I mean.
It's got some power.
Oh yeah, it does. Try not to go too nuts or it really beans up your.
Turn lane. I'd be going with you guys, but I'm stuck. I don't want to get a ticket for going over a double, so guess what?
On the way back, yeah. When we have to, woo, Nelly.
Let's see what time is it. Oh, it's late at night. You probably don't have breakfast.
What about late at night? What?
I said I checked to see what time it was. It's like 10 o'clock at night. I don't think they got continental breakfast.
Getting a little, I don't know what the heck that's supposed to be, but. Trying to do work, I promise. I'm just trying to get the watchtowers, so we ain't got to worry about that no more. Here we go. So now we have.
Avert your eyes. Don't buck. Fucking trucker. Jerk. Oh, we didn't follow truckers, but come on, that was an ass. No, not while he's doing that. That won't be good, but we can't get him. Come on, butter. Nice. Oops.
Pretty good on the HP. I'll take that any day. Yes.
You're at, and then we gotta go way over to a
Alright.
plan. We really need to go more left, but we need to go right to get on the land to go left. If that makes sense.
You alright, kitty cat? Yeah. Alright, who's next? I'll help you out.
God, Scott,
Oh,
you
come
keep
here.
fighting like a pussy.
Two
You got this,
again.
douchebag?
Bring it. On the PC at the wheel. It makes this game pretty fun. So, if you guys are ready, I think we're to get levels, to be honest. You're coming with. Okay. Move the book for now. No, you go in there. There we go. All right, let's see. Oh, what do we got here? Slow down. Get over. I'm over. Oh, undercover.
You name it, we'll sell it.
I do. Weapons. There we go. How about level 2? 11. This does. Wait, we don't have that.
A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kick fucking ass.
Oh, I like. Yeah, that sounds cool. How
Amazing.
about
You
you?
look sneaky enough too, huh? So I guess we'll never really be friends. You look sneaky enough to be a thief.
Shadows, he creeps with a broken controller. Grandpa tasking me. The stakes couldn't be colder. Through the air ducts we run.
Yeah, that looks like the biggest.
Alright, hold on.
I'm hurrying as fast as I can.
Oh no, you're good.
Some dualies on there. Trail runner winch.
Yep, thought so. Roundup. I was right. Well, that's going nuts. We're gonna do something real quick. I don't have a whole lot, but yeah, not a ton. What's in the battle beasts?
All right. Whoa, Nelly. Whoa, Nelly.
So is
Hold on.
everything fixed now? You good? People can hear you and everything?
I hope so. Nobody's over here, but I'm hoping so. Now that she's
What's gonna happen is if we can. That wasn't enough. Come on. Especially Montana and these small towns like 55, 45, 35, 25. It's like Jesus. Or 30. Such an oddball one.
it's like ice road truckers, baby.
No, I don't have a PC that's capable of playing games, sadly. But I
Oh, hippie's
do
going
have
deep.
an epic PC.
You gotta go all the way back to that same round. Okay, cool.
Oh, dude. Yeah. You're like, dang
I'll go
it.
get the service spare parts.
Okay.
I see you're here at the garage. I'm here as well.
I am. You think I could?
Give them your
Let's go, Heather. How you doing? Welcome in, you guys. Appreciate you hanging out. If not,
Dig. Oh.
Yeah, I just parked way in the back. Honestly, I parked.
All the moms and dads and sons and daughters there and everything. First granddaughter. Snow runner, you said? I haven't tried it yet.
Yeah, I don't feel like I have a lot of control. Like, you lose
Okay.
control. In my opinion.
I gotcha.
Other people love it.
Yeah,
I like it.
I'm gonna have to get mine. See if I can get it set up so I can.
Farm sim on the
Yeah. I might have to
Are
fix
you just happy to
myself
see
off
me?
of that.
Wait, whoa, what?
Right, I'm gonna map Rockwell. Am I in your way at all?
Yeah, if you go forward just a hair so I can get
Is that
to
a
that
maintenance
trailer.
there, or are you happy?
watch out, there's a skeleton hiding out on top of that pumpkin.
In this cannabis dream, everything's alright.
Go for it. How about this way? Oh. Give her a second. Okay, now we can swing her out wide a little bit. Hold on, fire truck. There we go. Bring her in. Oh, it's my favorite. We don't need no interstate. I like the two-lane highways. Better view out here.
Chasing dreams in the night.
Don't be like heights.
bridge.
Oh, wait,
You
missed
don't
the
have to
whip.
drive around.
Oh, no, I appreciate it. I mean, I'll drive around, but but I appreciate that.
You don't know where you're going.
I don't have no idea.
Dumb ways to die.
Dumb-
Go for it. How about this way? Oh. Give her a second. Okay, now we can swing her out wide a little bit. Hold on, fire truck. There we go. Bring her in.
You can. You absolutely can. I used to. So the way you do it, yeah. So I would just expand it. So I could pull a chat. Right now I still see my chat through the business suite, but it goes through OBS. It goes through not OBS, I'm sorry, slobs. I'm sorry.
Wash your hands, mister. No doubt, right? Oh, wait. Come here. I see you. Yes. Choo Choo Nuzumi.
All the spare trailers are tow behind ones. I lied, except for one. There's a sideboard semi-trailer that takes a low saddle at the logging station.
Okay, I'll put a low saddle on here for it. Then I can change it out at the garage.
We get
Everybody can throw stones at me
right.
and gawk at them.
Come on.
Down to it's about.
And so their quest began. As the four warriors of light, they felt overwhelmed by a little bit and see what we can, what we're gonna find. Oh, hello. Oh, preemptive. We should be able to take them all out, I hope. Depends on
This and put it back away. Throw up one of the other bays, if you would, sir. Been moved. Thank you, guys. All right, now we can leave. We might have. Wait a minute. How can we? Oh, there we go. That's better. Let's keep it legal, folks. Good Lord. A little app you can use to make it easier. You select what you want to put on what, and it tells you how to do it. What order, what books to combine before you put them on. Extremely handy. Working big, gotcha. There we go. Let's go. I'm sorry. That might have been your turn. Maybe not. The car behind me's going. He's like, I ain't waiting either. I'll run up with the.
But my wife does. Luckily, she works from home.
Oh, okay.
And so we're just trying to time where we can go see this train and we can get her back and start her day of work, you know, without there being a conflict.
Mm-hmm.
And it's
I'm assuming oval shop. All right, sweet. Let's go grab this load. Oops, no. We're good. And we're using.
No. Stay down here. You know, here, let's do this.
Chassis, that's all we've got on this thing, huh, for now?
Locks in tight, drifting through the turns, he's ready to ignite. Rubber burning engines roar.
Here we go.
Grandpa Daz, a king on the street.
All right, that gives a little room. Can we keep cranking out some cookies? Keep them coming. Fuel economy 3.9 miles per gallon. Woo. Okay, gotta drive careful. There we go. And we're gonna shut her down. Okay. We could boat it and go. And see that burnout we did back there? Woo. We left some smoke. Let's try this again. see it's, is it closed? No, she's open. She only gives a little bit of copper. We can use it.
This way I can have some extra fuel and,
Mm-hmm.
why is it not changing the look? Oh, because I have to sell that one first. Goofball. Did I even buy it? Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Oh, I have the right one. That's the AGL version, too. It's got... There we go.
Spare parts.
I've got... I'm out here waiting for you. I know you're in there. I see you. We're not doing it yet, though. Run! Get out before...
I know a shovel would be a lot quicker, but I don't know where mine is. There we go. Okay. Let's just leave this going anyways, because we got to load up, so we might as well let people know we're on a live truck, right? That's what I'm thinking. There we go. All right. 7. All right. Sweet, nice little jaunt. What do you mean? That was textbook. I don't know what you're talking about. All truckers do that. You see it in Montana all the time. What do you mean?
Wayne Roberts, buddy. Welcome in.
Oh, it did.
Thanks for being here, guys.
All right. I guess we'll see where this comes out, because I didn't know how to get out of here. Or get down here.
It's like I've...
Part Stairway to Heaven is all powered rails. It took a lot of... Well, you guys gave me a lot of them, though, to be honest. I've made some, but... I wonder if you could do it. We got other stuff to do. Saul tweak Steamy to limit and recruit him into call. Oh, I see. So we have to,
A Jeep Wrangler.
Oh, do we all need to grab a scout? Is that what we're going to do? All right.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
All right. Let me grab...
Unless you want me to throw that in your bed too, that'd be kind of funny.
Oh, I'm smashing.
Oh, you know what? You probably could.
Let me
Why?
get the right angle,
Dude,
and I'll just toss the scout. I don't know if this crane can pick up the scout though.
Of course it can.
It's gonna be close. If I get a
Is
good
it the
angle.
big crane?
No, it's just my normal crane on the back.
Oh, probably not then.
appreciate you guys coming in and watching. Hit that like button. That'd be great. All right. Oh, that's fat. Nope, nope, you cheapskate. Oh, dirty, dirty dog. All right. So we won't be close to done. We done taking loads, but we definitely might see if there's a new truck. I've been waiting for us to get some levels.
I haven't touched anything. Just the controller in hand. And some crackers, cheese, and salami.
You got your salami in your hand? Nice.
Now wait.
You said we'll take on the first boss. We'll make sure we save before we go into his chaos temple.
Let alone recite it off the top of my head while I'm streaming. I'm not that good. You do it, buddy. I appreciate the stars, buddy. I do. Each turn you can use one item and so you can do an item and attack every turn.
Rules say you can have one potion every turn. I asked her.
There it is. This is gonna be interesting.
Good lord.
What do you call it? The other.
Mountain River or Northport?
Yeah, that's Mountain River.
You
have to go down Mountain River to get to
Pedro Bay. That's right. Okay. I got you. Okay, well, I'm on the way, but I'm behind. Oh, we have our logs though. I'd say roll a dice. Don't have one, but
It's not active. Can't look at it. It's not in my. It was 4 fuel and 2.
yeah, I just activated it. 2 consumables, 4 fuel, and 2 wooden planks.
Okay.
And the wooden planks are right over there too, by where you're at.
Somebody's coming. God dang.
Get in there, boys. Bam. Okay. Oh.
Whoa, even my hazards. Crap. No, I don't see it there. Let's turn the light on and see. Maybe we need that up first. Anything? Not Disney Great Falls, but speed limits are weird. Always been that way.
Lesson, pulling someone
I thought it was impossible, but no, you got this. And I just.
Yeah, he does.
Oh,
Bam.
yeah, there we are. Legends.
Look at that. We're fired.
Oh, I'm gonna go snag this upgrade. It's like I could see it.
Oh, I gotta turn my beacon on. What am I doing?
I know, me too, jeez. What are we doing?
That's what I was thinking.
I got mine on. I don't know what you guys are.
Here we go. Now we're clear. Okay. Now we should just be able to pull. 35, huh? Alright. We can cruise this. Engine break off. There we go. Alright.
About where to get your large pipes at?
I got them in White Valley.
Oh, okay. So you got to go back to White Valley and then bring them back over to. I got you.
I'm already on my way back over to Mountain River with the 2 pipes that I have.
Okay. Gotcha.
Did
He's like, crap.
Pick up the armor. I was like, wait a minute.
For tomorrow, we finally got everybody fed for tonight and put them all in bed.
Oh, there you go.
Okay. So you got a house full then, huh?
See, I've got to park it right there. It's all straight. You guys need to see how so good it is so quick. Our motor, I could. Well, there is a way. It's called support or something. Okay. Oh, Jeffrey. All right, you guys, welcome back. Let's try number 2. I heard the ding. Let me fix my screen. Maybe I can see what it was.
With the flickering lights and the sinister chuckle, the electronics come alive.
Darn. I don't want it at the moment, so I'll remember that just because I don't want to go back to the top at the moment.
Is there anything I need? Say a quick trip into town and check out. I do, but it's got to be good, right? I'm stoked for wherever we get a Faith CD, a boy-sized leash. Oh my god! Stay away from the. Dog Man's a good guy too. He's fun to play with.